Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly, you have to open your browser, which you normally use, which everyone normally uses. Then go to the history, tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data. And history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.